Okay, what if I do one of those intro that I walk in and pretend I didn't see there's a camera here? Let's try it. Oh wait, didn't see you there. What the heck is that? That's cringe. This is a little special video I'm setting up right now actually. So I don't usually do t-shirt review like this, but this is gonna be the first one because this one is a little special. Oh my god. So you guys probably click in because you already see the title, but here's the two package actually. Yeah, two package. So this is Cuts clothing. So like I said, I usually don't do t-shirt review, but the reason why I was making a video of this, because in the past year, I have been searching for the best plain color t-shirt, like what I'm wearing right now, like plain color, no logo, good fitting, premium quality. I'd rather spend a lot of money on like a super premium t-shirt, let's say both $50 on one of these, rather than spending $50 on like 10 cheap t-shirt that shrank, doesn't really fit well. So I tried a lot of different t-shirts. I tried this one. What I'm wearing right now is the True Classic tee. I tried the Cuts, which I'm gonna talk about later. I tried Essential. I also go out and bought a Lululemon Fundamental t-shirt, and I tailored it. I went to a tailor shop and tailored it, and I tried basically a lot of different t-shirts and premium t-shirt company. But Cuts is the most consistent one so far, but I'm gonna return it after I shoot this video, and I'm gonna tell you why I'm going to return it. So first of all, this is the Cuts. I think they call it Classic now, but it's curve hem basically, crew neck curve hem. You can see it was coming at like a pretty premium package, and let's open this up. So I had this packaged up. Actually, I'm about to ship it. So this is the Cuts. I bought this is called Vintage. So this is their Pica Pro material. I don't know what that means, but what I know is the reason why I like Cuts is their consistency is I can wash it in the dryer, and I can put it on high heat, high temperature when I was washing it, and it's gonna fit just as good, like exactly the same as when I bought it, and the consistency is great. Also, you can see the material literally in the video. It feels very premium. So, little funny story. So I was working at a coffee shop. Then I was wearing one of the Cuts. Not this one. It's the older one I got. And everybody like keep looking at the t-shirt, but I was confused because it's just a plain t-shirt, and this is not some like designer clothes. Everybody like looking at it. I can tell they're looking at it because when they walk past, they will look at me first. Then they look down. They look at the t-shirt, and I was just confused. Why is there so many people looking at it? Because it's just plain color t-shirt. It's just something about this material that it's different than like what I'm wearing right now. This is probably what your normal, cheaper t-shirt will look like. This is just high quality. You can tell this is premium, and you can feel when you touch it, it feels premium. It is coming with a premium price tag, which is $60. Let me put it on for you guys first. So I am wearing the Cuts t-shirt right now. I am not muscular build at all. So this is what it looks like. Actually, let me so this is the curve hem, which means at the bottom it curves a little. This is actually the reason why I am returning it. Personally, I like it's like straight down there, like a regular t-shirt. Personally, I don't really like the curve looking, but I know a lot of people do like it. On the side, there it is. On the side, you can see right here, also in the back. So it's like curved in the front and back, but when you're wearing it, it feels soft. Here's the thing, so here's the catch. It doesn't feel as soft as this one, but it feels more premium as this one. So I guess when a t-shirt is too soft, it start feel a little less premium. This one, it feel premium, but it's a little less comfortable, but it's still comfortable. I wearing the Cuts t-shirt to the gym before, and it actually pretty good. Like when you work out in the gym, it's good. Another thing, talk about gym. I am not a really muscular person. I'm pretty skinny to be honest, but it fits really well. It doesn't fit as good as the Essential tees. Maybe I'm gonna make a video about that in the future, but it does tailor fits really well, and it looks premium. I guess that's the whole purpose of these premium t-shirts. But let's say the reason why I return it is, first of all, the curve hem, like I said. So Cuts, I love their t-shirt, but they only offer two different type of t-shirt. One is this curve hem, and the other one is split hem, which it kind of looks like a regular t-shirt, but on the side. Alright, so just for comparison, this is another Cuts t-shirt I was talking about. This is their split hem, so look at it. On the side, it has this little split. The back part is actually longer than the part at the front. This is, from the front, it looks more like a regular t-shirt. This is more will maybe choose over this earlier, the one I showed in the video, this curve hem. Overall, just see how it looks. This one is actually, I'm wearing it for a while now. It goes through a lot of washes. It fits and looks just like the day I opened the box. So this is what I like about cats, is pretty much the one you open the box, it's the same size. You're gonna wear it for the rest of the year, or like 2 years or 3 years, it's gonna look exactly the same. Just for comparison, this is on the side, on the back, and back to the front. I really hope Cuts can come out with a t-shirt that actually has like a straight hem in the bottom. So like personally, I will love it, love to have it. That's pretty much the only reason. Another reason is it does not feel as soft as this t-shirt over here. So I know this one looks way higher quality, but comfort and the bottom part, the cut, I don't really like these, and they come in at a really expensive price tag. Which actually, this is from True Classic Tees. It fits pretty good. The material is not as high quality as the cuts, but it feels softer, and it does have the the regular straight cut at the bottom. This is only $20. This is $50 or $60. This is a good t-shirt, but just not for me. Maybe it's for you if you like the curve hem. This is pretty much perfect t-shirt. Alright, that's it for today's video. Actually, like I said, I don't really make t-shirt reviews, but I'm making it right now. Alright, see you guys.